I love painting flowers, especially in oils, and my new Floral Inspirations course will give you an insight into how to do this. Here are a few examples of my work, and I've put together a short series of clips from a demonstration I did of pink roses, so you can see how the painting is built up over time, starting with the flowers, then mixing the colours and gradually to put into the background foliage, which is all done before we add the background itself to give some depth to the overall painting. The finishing touches on the texture on the foliage, I used cold wax medium, which will thicken the paint up and enable you to put some fabulous highlights in towards the end of the project. I hope you enjoyed this little insight, and maybe I'll see you on my Floral Inspirations course at Marlborough College later on this summer. Full details, take a look at my website.